have a few HR categories for the emerging HR leaders, and under the categories we recognize people as brainiac, engagement champion, and the high flyers, depending on the different objectives. We have the torch bearers who are the mentors in the organizations and who have helped the organizations develop new processes. Then we have the thought leaders who have developed new systems and processes for the organization and help them transform. And then the highest category in our list is the HR legends, who themselves are a living legend. So I would not say that this is a lifetime achievement award, although Hari sir was like, let's give it a lifetime achievement, but I don't think a person in HR can ever retire. So we have those legends. In today's ceremony, we have few people being recognized under the torchbearer, and we have people being recognized under the Emerging Leaders Award. So let's begin with the first category. So in our first category, we are moving ahead with the Torchbearer Awards. And as a torchbearer, these people have been at the forefront suggesting and implementing innovative ways to redefine and redesign organizations, processes, and systems. Let's move to our next torchbearer and also the last recipient in this category for today, Ms. Nitasha Nandaraj Chok.
Natasha, Joey, if I'm sorry to interrupt, just want to say this is very special also because this is an organization nomination. So we had asked organizations to nominate the people, and I think Natasha has been nominated by her organization, which is fantastic.
So just to give you a brief background about Natasha, Natasha is heading human resource at Cashy, which is a Mumbai-based fintech firm offering millennials quick and easy personal loans. Under her leadership, the company has been recognized as one of India's best workplaces for women in 2019 and Great Place to Work in 2019. Natasha comes with keen business and HR experience of over 12 years in various organizations. She's a strong organizer, counselor, and team leader with success track record of directing major HR initiatives and projects from concept to successful implementation stage. We are delighted to honor her for leading organizational transformation initiatives. So please join me in congratulating Niharika.
Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Natasha, can we have you on video, please?
Yes, I'm there.
Many congratulations, dear.
Thank you so much. I feel really humbled to receive this award. Thank you, Hariharan sir and your team. Kudos to HSE team for bringing this great platform to share our experience and knowledge. And it was really, really great to hear Ajay and Dilip sir and got a great insight. Congratulations to Gaurav and Niharika too.
And just to add on, I have had the privilege of working with Natasha and I've been knowing her for a decade. She's a wonderful person, both personally and professionally, always there to help you out. And anytime you can reach out to her because she has some wonderful ideas in HR. And this is the reason that her work speaks. And at Cashy, being recognized as great place to work, great place for women to work, this is all Natasha's hard work. So many, many, many congratulations, dear.
Thank you, Julie. Thank you so much for such a wonderful word. And it's not like that. It's great place to work created by me. Definitely, it's people. And when I joined this company, it was just 120 people, and within a month, I realized that this company is good enough to go for this award. I mean, they should nominate themselves, and fortunately, we got this award. Along with that, we got another one is Best Workplaces for Women. And also we got Best FinTech 2020 by Great Place to Work Institute. So it was a great learning, great experience with this company. To talk about my experiences of this pandemic, especially, the spread of COVID in the world is unlike everything and anything that we have experienced so far. So there is no, I would say no right or a standard operating process that can be followed. So but one thing that we have is the purpose. Everyone is driven by a purpose. Every company has their own goal and purpose. So we call this organization as a purpose-driven organization rather just a process-driven organization. So that's something we keep on telling people that because of you, this company is there, and we believe that for every company the strongest resource is people.
Absolutely amazing, Nitasha, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for being there with us today. Keep doing the great work, and we are so delighted that we could get you from Kashi to be a part of this. And I hope you're enjoying.
Yes,
Hope you're
I'm
enjoying
enjoying
yourself.
it. I'm enjoying thoroughly. Thank you so much, Hariharan. Thank you, Juhi.
Thank you, Natasha, and many
And all the best
congratulations.
for your future endeavors, please.
Thank you so much, Nitasha.
Thank
Keep
you.
us inspiring always.
Yes, and we
Thank
would
you.
love to have you on the coming Saturday for the keys orientation session also.
Yes, sure, for sure. Thank
So
you for inviting.
you'll receive this on mail, and you can take a nice printout and a nice frame around it, and so it will keep inspiring you as you go along.
I will surely do that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.